Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and I think we got a good one for you today. Welcome to the show. So, it's probably 2 a.m. here. Fell asleep early after I got off work Saturday. I'll probably go through some emails, do some response. I think I had a couple of people reach out for Ecto Cooler. I got to get some boxes out of some stuff I sold. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So today we are going to use James by First Line Shave. Really nice scent. I'm not a peach guy normally, but I liked everything else in it other than the black pepper. But I like First Line Shave scents. Sorry guys, hair's all messed up. Like I said, been asleep. Been up for a couple of hours though now. Watched some Jack Benny, caught up on some Johan, CDB, things like that. Ooh. It's just a good smell, guys. I know I'm just sitting here quiet, nose in the tub, but it's a sweet cologne-y scent in a way. It's the best way I can put it. I don't describe scents well. Go watch CDB. That's one he just used. So we're going to tub load. This is a Kent Designs. Last night I used Union Moon soaps because of the Real Talk interview. I believe this is an stabilized olive wood, like spalted or something, I don't know. And then that resin band in the middle. I really dig this. He had made this brush. Like Zach likes to make what he wants to make, but he had this brush that he had already made in his, what do you call it? In his queue, and it was sold. And I hit him up on the side and I said, hey, would you want to make this brush again? He's like, I think I got enough of whatever wood it was, you know, olive wood and whatever all the things was he said he needs. He's like, yeah, I can remake that. He's like, just give me some time. And he hit me up when it was done, and it was awesome. I'm excited. One of my favorite handles, never getting rid of it. V69 soft titty knot from Smiles. So, really nice. We are just loading it up. I don't need to load this heavy, but the V69 knot, she be a stingy beast. She does not like to always release the lather. She likes to eat it. Oop, we got cream on the face, on the shirt. So I try to load heavy with these high density badger knots. I'm getting lather everywhere, peeps. Do that. Got to rinse the lather off. I can't stand the white lather sitting on top of the tub. And guys, that's a full pour right there. Very nice pour. There we go. All right. Yeah, but it's like a darker, sweet scent. It's really nice. I'm enjoying it. Let's put it that way. And like I said, I'm not a big peach fan. Like peaches and cognac was okay. I did have that in the den for a while. It was just okay. I got rid of it because it was just okay. Wasn't like really my thing. But this one, I enjoy. And that's not like me dogging on peaches and cognac. A ton of people love that scent. This is just better for me. I like the scent. Both are phenomenal bases. Really impressed with the base. See if we can get that turkey neck going on. Spill my... I absorbed a lot of water out of that mug, so I needed to add more water to the mug. Because I dip in a mug. Whoa. I soaked my brush in. See how we do. Makes a good lather. I've been enjoying the face lathers lately. Still bowl lather. Just depends on how I feel. I've got time. You got time, guys? I got time. So, we take time, gonna do a face lather, enjoy it. Like, I'll probably be up to about 5 a.m. Then I'll go back to sleep. I'll wake up around 8. Ex-wife sent me some stuff I gotta look at. Parenting plan and such, you know. Plan out the rest of the year, who's getting the kids what days and stuff. We do it like 6 months at a time. At least that's how it is now. We're new into all of it. It may change over time, how often we plan it and stuff, but for now, every 6 months is the thing. We're just gonna go with this lather. It's a little thin. I probably could aerate it and go a little bit more, but honestly, we're just trying not to lose all the lather. It's getting all over the handle, messy. I did soak this knot for a really long time. Oop. Had y'all fooled, huh? Y'all thought I was growing the mustache back. I will start to let the goatee come back at some point, because then Halloween gets here. I won't leave the house. I don't know why. It's not like I'll go out or do anything. But it'd be cool to go as Freddie Mercury for Halloween. We are using the B plate open cone on my Karve with a 3.5-inch handle. Argyle, brass offering. I went and got to charge my Dremel. There was some rust left behind from the blade I had in there for so long. That's why you should take your blades out, people. And there was a rust residue. And I needed to flitz it. There was enough power in my Dremel to get under the top cap, but not to get the base plate as well. So, what are we using today? Ooh, we're using a Nacet. I haven't used a Nacet in a while. And that was my absolute go-to blade. This was a heavily hydrated lather, so that's why I keep rinsing it. So I don't. Yeah. There you go. Nice. Very nice. It's feeling smooth, man. I don't know why I haven't been using the Nacets. Wasting my time with blades you've been hearing me bitch about for months. Like, why didn't I bust these fuckers out? I only got like a couple of hundred of them. Nacets are back, baby! So, feeling good in a way. Did y'all watch the Real Talk? You know, with Moon Soaps. I enjoyed it. I was there. I was in rare form, evidently. And it was a good time. Melody and Zach are good people. I know we're using First Line Shave, but, you know, we're going to bring it all in full circle. Both Artisans made it into my Both Artisans made it into my, 5 Artisans, rest of your life, can't live without, which is awesome. And I kind of brought First Line Shave and Moon Soaps together in my shave with the Kent Designs brush. So, and I like this brush. It's got a classy look with the wood and everything, but I like just a little bit of resin in there for the pop. It's attractive in my opinion. I need to get back to an email. Kim, sorry, I meant to hit you back already. I just gotta get back on some emails. Been busy. I've just been tired and wore out with this heat at work lately. It takes its toll. We're going super light on the neck, because y'all been hearing my complaints of irritation on the neck. So we're going slow. How slow can you go? And I think we'll be good with 2 today. We're gonna take it nice and easy. Get that jawline, get it out of the way. There we go. This is a good scent, and it is strongly scented. Oh, that's where I'd opened it before. I don't know if y'all are here for it, but I had a shave a couple of days ago. There we go. And we bloomed this soap, people. Very fragrant. Restroom right now. So for some reason, my stomach's grumbling. I ate when I got home yesterday. I fell asleep a few hours afterwards, a couple of hours. So, we did shower. But I know I fell asleep within a couple of hours of getting home. And I just can't go back to sleep. Just looking at the neck, seeing where we are. There we go. A little bit of pickup with residual, and it was good. We're gonna rinse up, guys, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back. I'm gonna get a closer look at that brush now. I do enjoy it. I like the colors. It's a really nice brush. Try to bloom it a little for the shave of the, well, not the way I'm doing my shave of the day, but I do enjoy the SmilezforMilez B69 knots. If you're looking for a badger knot you haven't tried out yet, recommend picking it up. It's affordable. It's right up there with a lot of the other big name knots that other vendors are carrying. Artisans, vendors, whatever you want to say. James. We did the soap. Match and Splash. Pretty awesome splash bottle. I do like First Line shaves. They're always different with their splash bottles. They had the ombres first, where it was like blue and, it was like a gradient and went up to clear. It's pretty cool. They had red ones like that. I think a black one. They're really cool. Can't remember if they have alcohol. Yep, they got alcohol. That's a good thing. Oh yeah, that splash is different. Just a little. A little less sweet in my opinion, but that is some good stuff. Like, I'm going to enjoy this. Normally, I get the trifecta of this, but we sold some stuff. And some stuff I didn't expect to sell, so I did pick this up. And I couldn't help it. I didn't get the trifecta. Like I said, normally I always get the trifecta from First Line. But we just got the duo. The duo. The highly scented duo. Alright guys, very nice shave. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the shave, thumbs up. Didn't go like that, don't care. And if you haven't subscribed and you're enjoying the videos, please subscribe. So, alright, we'll catch y'all later this week guys, and y'all have a good one.